Giant chromosomes are specialized chromosomes that are significantly larger than typical chromosomes. They have unique banding patterns and are vital in certain tissues, like egg cells and insect salivary glands, during key growth phases. These chromosomes can be observed under a light microscope due to their extensive size and distinct morphology. There are two types of giant chromosomes. Now, let's consider the first type. Lampbrush chromosomes were first described by Walter Fleming in 1882. They are found primarily in the immature egg cells of most vertebrates during meiotic prophase 1. Lampbrush chromosomes consist of paired homologous chromosomes with lateral loops extending from chromomeres. These loops are sites of active RNA transcription for messenger RNA storage in the egg. Chromomeres are bead-like structures that are visible on chromosomes during prophase of meiosis and mitosis. The projection of a large number of pairs of loops from chromomeres leads to a lampbrush appearance. These loops reach a maximum in diplotin and gradually decline till they disappear. The lampbrush chromosome structure supports massive RNA synthesis needed for early embryonic development and serves as a model for studying transcription and chromatin organization. Next up, we have Polytene chromosomes. These chromosomes were first reported by Edouard Girard Balbiani in 1881 in the salivary glands of dipteran insects, such as Drosophila. Polytene chromosomes arise from multiple rounds of DNA replication without cell division, resulting in many sister chromatids that remain aligned side by side. This process is called endoreduplication. Polytene chromosomes exhibit banding patterns, with dark bands representing tightly packed DNA and interbands representing less condensed regions. They also consist of swollen regions called puffs or Balbiani rings. These are regions of active transcription where the chromatin loosens. The polytene chromosome structure facilitates a high level of gene expression, such as in salivary glands of larvae for rapid growth. It is also useful in studying gene activity and chromosomal structure. In conclusion, giant chromosomes allow for easier visualization of the chromosome structure and function. They are also associated with high metabolic activity, such as secretion in salivary glands or egg development. Giant chromosomes have various applications, as they help in understanding how genes are regulated, where specific genes are located, and how chromatin remodeling occurs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments below.